is another aspect of illegal borrowing by the regime. It is open to abuse by rogue KRA officers. It will affect cash flow of companies. We oppose it. 6, taxation of reimbursements, that is per diem. Out of the blues, Kenya Kwanza wants to tax money paid to officers on duty at 30%. How then do those officers meet their expenses? Since when did reimbursements get to be treated as income? We find this requirement extremely punitive. We oppose it. We've known that this per diem was being paid by people to be spent to defray expenses wherever they're traveling. And those costs, the cost of living in those countries has already been worked out by the government. If you are taxing it, you are therefore subjecting these officers to suffering wherever they travel. 7, taxing trade associations. After taxing traders, Kenya Kwanza want to follow them and tax their associations. Associations whose duty is to fight for the welfare of members will now be deemed to be carrying out business and be taxed on gross receipts, which will be deemed as income. This is double jeopardy that will affect the welfare of businesses in the country. We oppose it. 8, enhanced VAT payments. Buried in this bill are proposals to remove from zero rating to tax-exempt pharmaceutical products, agricultural pest products, and even fertilizers. Maize flour, cassava flour, and a number of other types of flours are being moved from zero rating. Transportation of sugarcane to factories will now attract VAT. The VAT measures proposed by the bill effectively raise the cost of medicines, healthcare, and food, including that of locally produced sugar.